Bake it up. Now back that shit up. Oh God. What? Do you see the time? It is time to go to bed, my dear. When I'm back, I will Quincy there with that class. Me where him there. Quincy look fiery in the night. I'm gonna add him till tomorrow. I wait till him calm down. I can't bother. Quincy look like say. Quincy look like say somebody promised him a fuck tonight and him not get it in pepper in the comments them. I can't believe it. Me and Quincy was such a good friend. Quincy a class so. Eh? Quincy look like somebody promised him a backers tonight and fail him. Why you tear down the place? So when them I'ma add him? I know I'm not afraid of nobody, you know. I don't know me. I'm not afraid of nobody. I not see him. I need him for coming here so. Where is Quincy? Quincy baby, where are you? Anyway, you get shut down tonight, I will make sure that you get a substitute. Quincy, that is why you have to always have a substitute. Stop take out people problem. You can't ask one alone. If a Thursday and you're on make sure say you ask it too. Yeah man, Marky forget class. Marky too terrible. You know how long Marky a class me? And I tell lie. But we need to clear my name. When him know nothing of the for clear. Go and go work, Marky. Go and go email. Quincy there. Quincy. Quincy look like him get all. Tell him to send me a request as him reach. I said the man peppery. Batman peppery in the night at a blood clot. So I tell him say I rent the bed. Murder. So I tell the man say I rent the bed at foreign. Nothing is impossible. One thing will foreign get away with anything. Then probably rent him a whole bedroom set and him carpet. Eh? Bring caramel go your bed. Or him can't come and him do so peppery. Rent a bed. Lord clot him send me a request. I don't know Jesus Christ. Quincy, before I add you, I am sorry. Quincy, I come with fire in him. I come with blood in him. Yeah, for me.
Nikki, what on Nikki? I want thing. Wait a minute. I want him with blood clot, me, Nikki. I want him with blood clot, me, I want him with blood clot, me, Nikki. What on man? That I want a receipt for my bed.
You know,
that I two am a receipt for my blood clot bed.
yes, sister.
This a three am a receipt for this I'm a teeth. Nikki,
Me not see receipt them good. Me not see receipt them good. Put it over them more. You think you can trick me?
Me I
Put
take
it.
them up.
Me want hear what the store name. You could trick me.
The store name, see there? The store name
Rent a bed.
Furniture City. In and out furniture.
Oh, so you take
In
and out furniture. Me I go look it up.
It name in and out furniture. See there? My TV, everything we buy in there. Every blood clot. Nikki, my better for three. Nikki, my better for three.
Stop spit me up.
Oh my God, I'm always like you talk to the people that like me. The man give me my bed for $3,000 blood clot. Me not rent no furniture. Me not need to rent no. Every even rent it, me supposed to rent it, but me not have to rent it cause what?
You're supposed to rent it. You don't live at foreign. You don't live at foreign. Rent it. 120 you come down. 120 you come down. What you money in that bag
food? What left me is me have good blood clot credit. None of your friends have tell this one a good like blood clot mine. Me not rent furniture. Me not rent.
Which friend you talk about? Call me. Which friend? I'm not here forward pan. Not here forward pan. Eh? Where you forward pan, Marquita?
Man in the blood clot. But the fuck up is a different type of bitch. Me is a different type of blood clot bitch. Me my things them cash and stress out the next man in the blood clot.
This is a message. I know me back when I talk, this is a message. Who you send a message at to?
Because I send a message to nobody. The people say you up on the live from a right bed. So me I tell us some bed the blood clot rent. Me not sleep with a blood clot.
This other man has picked me up.
Me not sleep in a different blood clot caution. Me not sleep in a different blood clot caution. And if
give me a chance, no? man, give me a chance.
I'm gonna have to find a bankruptcy or blood clot, Nikki.
Yeah, deaf me. Yeah, deaf me. Go drink some water. And mind blood pressure take up your blood clot.
Drink a Red Bull.
Bumbo clot. You get energy tonight. But I know me and you in there. Look how they are struggle with scandal bag. You have it for your body. Look how they have to walk with the good them out.
You're not here this blood clot.
I wait to do. A scandal bag you have on it. Tape up and glue it up. Tape it and glue it up. Remember me tell you this, I know me make the man no promise that the backers not come tonight. Why you turning it out on me? The fuck when you feel it, the dog get it on me.
Back up! Nikki!
Yeah.
I'm ugly. Well, I never put my phone to stand up. I'm ugly as I see that girl ever get fucked no blood clot.
Yeah.
I always have blood clot fuck me. Man, I'm gonna need to strip. Man, always have blood clot fuck me.
We need you for strip. Because guess what? When you're not having your face, you're having your waist. Yeah. When you're not having your face. Batman, give me a chance, you know?
Batman, give me a chance.
Batman, give me a chance. Give me a chance. Yeah. The man phone all gone in slow motion. Batman, tell the people them say we're having in your waist, you know. We're not having in your waist, you're having in your face. Make them know that.
No, me not the face, remember me say no shit, no blood clot figure.
That's why I say we're not having in your face,
no blood clot figure.
Yeah. Take your time now, man, you got dead on the live. No come dead.
If my blood clot, if my blood clot dead, me a good Dr. America will bring me back to blood clot life.
Welcome to Mr. America.
Welcome to hey Siri, call the blood clot emergency. I'm an ambulance pull up downstairs from a building. Hey Siri,
what
call the
emergency.
ambulance
To blood clot. Batman are dead me. Batman active like they're gonna foreign.
Ambulance pull up downstairs from a blood clot building.
You're gonna foreign.
Blood clot, I'm living in a community where be a big building there. The tower will tell them when my blood clot there.
Man, I lie. Batman, I'll talk when I ask him. I know it's a message I send to the people that want to eat your Batman. But me not eat you in blood clot view.
Me not send no message. Them say you the pretty line.
Batman, you're dead.
Blood clot in the bright tea. Me a gold digger the blood clot for me to Jamaica. Me no walk and thief and make them give a problem. Yeah.
Yeah.
So come go.
No because, listen, not because you can't see me one ear. Not that me a blood clot. What you say now? Calm down and mind your blood pressure take over your heart.
Me say I love my blood pressure take over my heart. As me say before, me say it again, we have good doctor. Welcome to America. Hey Siri, call emergency and the ambulance pull up on my building. Why?
Yeah. Alright, come down.
Yeah.
So
it's like crime stop. It's like crime stop. It's like crime stop. We don't need your name. We don't know your number. Just tell us what you know.
Yeah.
But after Siri call emergency, all of them drop down. Then I'm going to track Siri. And Siri going to lead them right to my blood clot there. Welcome to a blood clot, America. Yeah. Big street, bright light and tall blood clot building. Big street, bright light and tall building. Big street, bright light and tall building. We drive on the right side of the road.
Hey, but when I talk some things we don't even need. Batman, wait no man, calm down now. People me a Batman now for say nasty.
Me not near Batman, me near blood clot. Quincy Batman, I'm a Jamaica golden name. Me live in no blood clot.
Don't go like you want to forget. Don't go like you want to forget down here. Don't forget down in the gully. No go forget down in the gully. Your name Batman. Oh, Quincy.
Mr. Blood Clot, Quincy me. Batman after the gully, me not the gully, I get me.
Quincy a feeding the son. In pretty, don't use that name. Batman is for you.
Mr. Quincy me.
You're America. You're in America. You're in America. You have to speak free. Decent.
Mr. Blessing, the devil said I come tonight.
No, the devil no blood clot said I come for an interview. I'm off my blood clot head. Just chase him with Marky, you're vexed. Are you jealous? Because I'm up on the life with Marky. Why would you stop arguing over the same man? Why you Marky not stop arguing over the same man?
Hold on. The last time I checked, Jamaica, Caribbean, my idol. Yes, I get a celebrity. You is a get a celebrity. Yes, a good celebrity. Yes, I get a celebrity.
Miss Awa,
get jealousy of you. Don't do that.
No, you're jealous over me and my friendship. You're jealous over me and my friendship. You wanna stop eating the man over next man. Stop eating the man over the next man.
Oh, which man?
What I said? Stop eating the man over the next man, Quincy. Why you eat my kid? You come on the live and you talk about say this and all. The red street with the big the red street with the big lights and all different type of something. That's message you send because you know what I mean, yeah, talk. It's a message you send.
Because you got talk about you talk about bed and you me attack.
But me never tell about your house. It's a message you send, Quincy. You couldn't frighten me. You could sit hard and argue with me. Wait. All along me around. I ramp me around to argue with me.
Listen to me.
Yeah, more.
You see the ugly girl here? Me not call no girl and no boy name because I can fight.
You can
fight.
The one little video where you're in the video fight you happen to win. The one little video where you're in the video fight you happen to win.
Because you the people them set up about bed.
So what? Why burn your store? If you know you have your bed, you burn your store. Oh, you come and you can't catch.
It's a puppy bundle because I come a friend and buy me things them in my house car. I never take out my credit card when I come a friend and buy me things them in my house.
Ins and out furniture, do me here, so them rent. Ins and out rent furniture. You not buy it because you don't live in America. You live in America? You live in America? Yeah.
When I come a friend, I never know about blood clot credit. My teeth for off blood clot, Quincy and Quincy.
Me I go tell the cop.
My big down road no blood clot and buy me things them. Me
where you can't beat down road? Where you can't beat down the road?
You don't need to know my big down road.
No, since you show a receipt and you buy it, what is beat down the road? Him freeze. Buy a Wi-Fi next time when you beat it. Beat it and get a Wi-Fi. I went gone like him phone dead.
Well, now my phone dead. Somebody call me. Somebody call me. Yeah.
And the man that will never show up.
Listen to me now. Me not run the blood clot joke. Come on, the blood clot internet. Because me not write no blood clot then. Me buy the bed blood clot cash.
So you bet.
Blood clot cash.
So I bet.
Everything like blood clot cash.
So I bet.
I never know about credit blood clot. I never know if it's for finance.
You're vexed. Say you're vexed.
What?
You're vexed
yes,
then. Why you vexing? That means it near to go so. Hey, I got any now. Yeah. No, you're serious for your bed. No, Quincy, you're serious for your bed. Quincy, what shall come and take the blood clot, baby? No, Quincy. Quincy, not even Marvin no so. No, Quincy, not even Marvin no so bad. Yeah. A blood pressure go kill your blood clot because you have no sense. You have no sense because you come under my life and shut off your mouth. And when I call your blood clot name about your bed, you're out your vex. That simple means say you have it out to me. You come under my life and you shut off your mouth. And when I talk, you tell me you're good. So when you vex over bed, it near for go so. I want the bed. I want the bed. I want the bed. I want about the bed. What about the bed so? What about the bed? Chris Brown in there. Chris Brown in there sleep away and pay off. Oh, you mad. Or you vex. Which one of them? Because you come from my life, and you run your joke, and I laugh it off. I'm a mention, but you better go like you want. You me anything you have to say blood clot said from early, or say from now. Because me not eat that them away, you can blood clot, I'm going to answer your pussy clot. What you say?
Where's the one? Me don't want to run the joke with me on blood clot.
Well, no run no joke with me neither. No run no joke under my life then. No run no joke under my life.
Blood clot.
Where say?
Me a blood clot.
But what can I hear what you say?
Blood clot water.
What is?
Don't
run no joke with me if you don't want to run no joke with you. No run no joke with me. No run no joke with me if you don't want to run no joke with you. What else you got to say? What else you got to say? What else?
What? Big pussy girl come on no blood clot like.
I don't want no deep well, but you boy run no joke with me neither. You don't want to run no joke with me, run no blood clot joke with me. Don't run no joke with me. You bet earth yourself. You bet earth yourself. A Tempur-Pedic, a water bed, a water bed, a Chris Brown, a Chris Brown. A what kind of bed? A who buy the bed? A who give you the bed? Or where you buy the bed? Or the bed lick your chips stuff. A Quincy? Or the bed lick your chips stuff. You come alive and you run a joke and me not say no. I say one bed you come and kill off yourself. And something I want to say long time. Here is the floor. I'm a freeze stuff. I'm so. No man Raj. Low it.
Me say me don't want a girl run a joke. Me think them are awesome.
So we run joke with me for. So where nobody never say you trust it. Oh, we burn your song. Oh, we burn your song. No, you burn your song. Go look for your man. I'm gonna look for your man. I'm gonna look for your blood clot, man. I run a joke with me if you can't run a joke. Quincy, me can't hear what you say. When you run on with me, what you mean by me never run a joke? Why am I not serious for your bed? And I like to me now, and I like my bed up on a block. My bed door up on a block. My bed door up on a block. That means that you never run none. Man, them stop me and joke me now. Oh, your bed for man nobody. Bed is what? Bed is what? Bed is what? Oh, bed for bad people. You don't used to things. You don't used to things because bed is what everybody have a 12 grand for your bed. 12 grand for your bed. 12 grand. So all you for somebody for mother with a bed. Quincy, I have a message that you want to send to everybody. Because you see you now, you feel like everybody hates you. You feel like the world is against you. You feel like the world is against you. And you feel like everybody hates you. Well, everybody hates you for.
Me don't know if you tell people so to throw 20 and get 30 a blood clot.
I don't tell you what you can say, Quincy. What else they can say? What else? What else? You're one of the people that want the glad for you to bring down. You're one of the people that want the glad for you to bring down with the load. And you're not have nothing more. And you're not going to have nothing more for me. Nothing. Because if that did never did, you would have nothing to say. Move from yourself boy, you vex over blood clot, but then I used to you must not use the blood clot no. A bed? A 12 grand for your bed. A 12 grand for your bed. 12 grand. $12,000 for a bed. I'm a bed blood clot time. I'm a bed time. A 12 grand for your bed. I won't come off for. When come off for. So you not say. Quincy why in an argument long time. I quit me tell him now. Me tell him what I'm come under my blood clot life and say Mr. Blessing room. When Quincy come under my life, I said to Quincy, said, don't run a joke with me. I not even said don't run a joke with me. Come under my life, I say, hey, don't play me no cause you ever say everybody hate you when my answer you know. Him coming on my DM say, sister, where you going to for sister? Is a joke. Blah blah blah, sister fine. Me now say rent a bed, you jump up. What you vex for? Over one bed, a 12 grand for your bed. $12,000. You see, I know I'm not costing because up to now I'm shocked. A bed? You vex over a bed? You vex over a bed? Put it here. Look how me and market up on a live around you. Because everybody around you. Oh, you jump up so now. That is why you keep on say you have a bag of enemies. You keep on say people hate you. Because people can't run joke with you. Don't think that people have you up. That is why I know I don't. Because, you know, because I could have never know. I see Quincy follow me all long. All long. Him come from my life and run the joke. I say something, say sister blah blah blah, I rate you, whatever. I follow him back fine. I run and say, rent a bed, you come. Quincy, you couldn't frighten me. You couldn't frighten me. You couldn't frighten me. And your mouth couldn't scare me. And not what you say could have never scare me. Nothing at all. I mean, I never even answer because me is a joker person. Me a mark it up on life, I will run with joke. And what do you mean on my life? What do you mean on your life? You run your joke, your class, you tear down place, you tear down place, you tear down place. What you vex for?